after a long journey, I finally made it to my Airbnb, and the view outside is so beautiful, and this place is small and cozy. This is part of an apartment building, so let me show you guys around. This is the entrance area, and then toilet, kitchen. I might go to the supermarket and find some food to eat. I'll see how I feel. A little shower area. Mirror. You come into the living room. There's chairs, a little table, TV. This is where I'll be sleeping. Beautiful painting. And if you step outside, probably gonna do my laundry tonight too. It's also quite chilly out. This is the view that I get to see. Wow. I'm like right next to the mountain. I don't know what that is, but yeah, that's my place. It's a very quiet neighborhood, so I'll try not to be too loud, but I don't think I'll have a problem with that because it's just me. But I feel like I can stand out here all day and just look at this mountain. You can see like the fall foliage like coming in, so you can see like the brown and the oranges in the trees. So I'm back from the grocery store, and it was really cool. I don't know, just shopping or grocery shopping in a foreign country like by myself has really hit me that I'm in Japan by myself doing what I've always thought I was meant to do. It's just so crazy. But anyways, I bought enough food for 6 meals, so that's 3 breakfasts and 2 dinners. For the menu tonight, it's gonna be very quick and easy. Curry with rice and vegetable croquette. Yeah, I'm gonna be cooking now.
I wish you bluebirds in the spring to give your heart a song to sing, and then a kiss for more than this. I wish you love, and in July, the days to cool you in some you.